Okay guys, so we're here today, HD Hydraulics. So I got two reviews to do. Ace Industries sent me some drill bits to test, and also a new product line's coming out, AquaVanta Pro. It's a new company. They sent me a proportioner to test on any customer trailer or soft wash system that they're hooking up. So I chose one customer, and then they're doing this new trailer. So we're gonna set that up and let them test it and give a review about it. So this is what we're gonna work with today. So that's it. We're gonna take this tank off and put that one on there, and it's gonna be the chlorine tank. This one right here is the water tank. We're leaving it just as is. I'm gonna change this valve out. This reel right here is the soft wash reel. We're gonna move it and put it to the side. It's kind of messy over here, so we're gonna take some of the hose off and use the best part of the hose. And over here we're gonna have that same reel right here as I told you. We're gonna have it, we're gonna put it right here, and the garden hose reel also is gonna be here. The customer haven't showed up with it yet, so it's gonna be installed here. And I'm gonna try to find a spot where I can put the soft wash system. So I might put it right here where it's really accessible. So I might make a square right here so they can have it nicely done. And try to put the pump. Oh yes, they gave me a pump also to let the customer test. There's no labels or anything on there, but I think it's 120 psi and 7 gallons per minute, I think. But the customer let us know. I'm gonna try to put it somewhere right here, so see how best we can do it. And you know what we do, we're gonna make it look real nice, so the HD way. All right guys, so I'll see you. I'll be jumping in some montage. You'll see me just installing everything, and throughout it I'll probably say a few things and telling you what I'm doing, but most of it's gonna be the montage. But don't forget to like, subscribe, and share, and comment. Please comment, ask questions, share, and I'll answer everybody. Just please, I'm asking you guys. Thank you. Alright, so now guys, we're gonna install the drop tubes for the chlorine and also for the water tank. So we're prepping that to install, and then after we move to the proportioner. Alright guys, so Ace Industries sent me this Black Widow drill bit set. So we're gonna put it to the test and see how it works for us. Alright, so we just made this frame right here to put the AquaVanta proportioner on there, and we use the Black Widow from Ace Industries. Man, I tell you, this drill bit works wonders. It goes through aluminum like butter. I really like this drill bit, and I'll be using this drill bit. Alright guys, so I'm done with the frame, and I just pulled the AquaVanta Pro pump out of the box, and it doesn't have any label on there right now. They say they're gonna roll that out soon, but they just gave me one to like give to a customer to test. So hopefully it stand up to what they're saying, so the customer can put it out, comment, and let us know that yeah, the pump is really good. So I'll let you know on that one. Okay guys, so we're done with the whole setup. I was packing up, so I didn't get to do a whole video of the finished product, but this is what it looks like. The guy covered the pump. That's the pump. That's the reel, the water reel. That's the whole setup. That's to fill the tank. That goes to the pump, this line. That's your chlorine, goes to the pump. Then you have your fuel tank back here. Fuel tank and your pressure washer. So yeah, that's the whole setup. That's the pressure washer reel. We didn't have the hose to put on there right now, so that's it. And so all set up. Sorry guys, don't have lights right now. But, yeah. That's the whole setup. And that's the whole tank.